So it's Tuesday morning, it's a beautiful day. It seems to be calm at the time, not very windy, a few mosquitoes about, and sunny. So we're gonna head into Breckenridge and we're gonna link up with our friends there. And we're looking at going up towards Georgetown today and checking out some lakes and some mines and just seeing what we can find up there. So anyway, we'll be back from the road. Oh, and I forgot to mention, it's June 25th, my oldest daughter's birthday, so happy birthday, Amanda. If you see this video, we'll be giving you a call a little bit later on, get the mosquitoes out of the way, and we'll hook up when we get back and make good on your birthday. So anyway, we'll be back. And on this Tuesday morning, we're going to be filming most of the trail footage here with the Sony AX5 III. It's just that much more handier to shoot with for a grab-and-go camera. But we're going to use the DSLRs for some landscape photography, and maybe when we get out and do some exploring. But for trail footage, we're going to be shooting with the good old Sony today. All right, we'll be back. Okay, this is pretty much the same view with the Canon here. Just doing a little time check and equipment check this morning, trying to get the time synchronized on these cameras. So anyway, we're probably going to be changing the lens. I'm using the wide angle right now, and I'm going to use this try to get some good tripod footage today. So anyway, we're fixing to hit the trail. We'll be back. Oh, I might add, I don't have a headache this morning. The first day in 2 days, haven't woke up with a headache. So I must be getting used to sleeping at above 11,000 feet. All right, time to hit it. It's a pretty cool little stop, these old trains here. Well, I have no idea what that is. I don't know if it's for digging or what. I wouldn't want to get caught up in it though. Technology of the day. Denver, Leadville, and Gunnison. It's rotary number 1 right there. Okay, so we're looking at avalanche on Stevens Gulch Road. Looks like it came down through this draw right here and right into the gulch. There's a river running underneath that and coming out down there at the end. It's quite the mess. It's going to cause us to turn around. Okay, so there's Milena walking on the gulch. And it looks like it came down from up there. Let me get in a little tighter. Looks like it just came right down that ravine and it filled the gulch down here. And there's where the road ends. You can see there's quite a few hikers up here today. So anyway, Stevens Gulch. Okay, there's Elizabeth coming up out of the gulch. She was down there getting her National Geographic photo. Well, right here, and then put him from here. The best way to winch him would be to get up there. Yeah. But we're not supposed to get up there though, because we might kill the grass. That's what the sign said.
Okay, but
Put that on the front. You're not putting it.
Just
Okay, hit it, bump it, Andreas, bump. It's going. Okay, easy. Hold your brake, Austin, bump. You're not going to be real pronto, but that's the only option we got. So right. If you need another booty, I have it.
Just say we need to make 2A.
Yeah, you need to make one wrap around it for us. Okay, Andreas, get on the control.
We only have this one left.
Let's take up the slack. Right in, hold. So this will go through your truck. Okay, we gotta hang some stuff over the stable too. I have some back. Worried about the tundra.
here we go. Whoa! Yikes.
He needs to move.
Okay, we might be able to
Back him out.
honestly pull it straight back.
Whoa.
Stop on this.
Whoa!
That's good.
Stop, let me take the slack out. Okay, go. Go.
Water yet until I just did, so.
Yeah, it's silver.
Okay. Okay.
You want to drink a little more, Minnie?
I just want to find gold, that's all.
I got
Elizabeth, if you need some water, let us know.
Okay, thank you.
You have one bottle.
One
Go
bottle.
guys, leave it alone. Sacrifice. Oh my goodness.
Oh, I love it.
We
just went trail riding.
So I don't know if you can see that. That is gear oil. Looks like we got a front seal leaking. So we'll have to figure out how to handle that. We'll be back. Okay, so Christoph's going to take this trail hawk up the up this steep hill here. So let's see what we can do. If he doesn't chicken out. Oh, that's going to make it easy. That much speed.
No problem.
That was easy enough.
It made it look very easy.
Sun is right in my eyes now. Easy. That's how this is done. Didn't spin one tire. Jeep Rubicon. Leaks oil, but we can climb a hill.